All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase with 13,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. AM, FM stereo system. You got power windows, power door locks, backup camera, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around. Front bumper looks good. Front, your hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread here. Here's 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn good. Yes, it does. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread is 10-30 seconds as well. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM, FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. You got this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues, and your mileage of 13,106. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Got the lights. We're moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Let's have a dent here on this panel. Other than that, we look pretty good. Doors do swing, not all the way on the shorty. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. The floor is a little bit scratched up, heavy scratching. Wheel wells look pretty decent. Does this one have a dent? This one has a dent on top, as you can see it. And this one has a smaller dent, but it is there. Here's what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Like I said, they don't swing out all the way because this is a short wheelbase. This door looks good. Check out your roof. Let's see what that's looking like. Boom. And this is what your roof looks like. Looks pretty good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. A couple of small little dents. Nothing much to talk about. You can see them right there. A couple of dings there. Couple of things over here, but that's not a big deal. Not a big deal. You can't see it from the inside, and you really got to look for them hard on the when you get up there on the roof. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire there. It's at 9:30 seconds. A little chippy here. That's the door. Looks good. Here's what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips on your front passenger seat. Apologize. Fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And tire there. It's at 10:30 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. You got lights are working, things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof short wheelbase. Got a couple of dings on the roof. That's about it. Folks, any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.